never done this before like we just did, all we did is fill up the combustion chamber with some water, and then we just spray air, compressed air, try to seal it as best you can with like a rag. If they're bad, you're gonna know. You know, I mean, it's not like you have to have a tight seal, but compressed air, seal it up, and then you'll be able to see air bubbles like you did on a couple of these ones. Yeah, they're right there. We marked that one. You'll be able to see air bubbles come out around the valve if the seat is screwed up. So we'll have to check this one out. Probably just get all the valves lapped and all the heads just so that everything's good to go. But that's how you test it. And you also do the intake side and the, intake side and the exhaust side. Oh shit, look it. Oh, it's in. Oh. That one's bad. That's no bueno. I just got done saying I was excited. All the rest have been good.